Act like a man, take it in your own hands. I'll be damned if they take away my rights. I'ma stand, I'ma fight, despite the consequences. I'ma be vicious, nevertheless I'll progress.
Hello, thank you for tuning in. This is the Viral Beard here. And today what we're going to go ahead and do is clear the browsing history. Why you really want to clear your browsing history is because over time, through web searches, just being online, going to different websites, going to different people's Facebook pages and Twitters and Tumblrs, over time all that information, all those websites are stored in your computer, and it holds onto it as cookies or cache, and it slows down or bogs down your browsing speed. So it can slow down your computer and your internet surfing speed quite a bit, especially if you've never done it before. So you want to really clear these regularly. What we're going to go ahead and do is all three of the main browsers. Personally, I like to use Google Chrome. That's my favorite, but I do have the other browsers on here as well. So I have Mozilla Firefox. This is the first one we're going to go ahead and open, and I'll show you how to clear the browsing history on this. Now, up in the top right corner here, there's these little bars, and you want to click on these as your menu. And then you come down to History here in the center. You click on History, and then up here at the top it says Clear Recent History. You click on that. It's going to bring up this menu here. And then you have your time range. You can change it from the last hour, 2 hour, etc. Of course, I always do everything. That's the best thing to do, especially if you've never done this before. And then I usually just leave these default. All this other stuff these don't really matter. You mainly want your browsing history, your cookies, and your cache. All this other stuff don't matter, to an extent, of course. But this isn't going to harm your computer. You're not like deleting anything other than like past website information that you went to. And then you just hit Clear Now, and then it just clears everything out for you. And then we're done with that one. And then the next one we're going to go ahead and do is Internet Explorer. So just got to wait for it to load up. And same thing up in the top right corner. You have your tools. This is a little cog wheel. You click on that, and you come down to, well, I got to wait for the page to load. Alright, and then once this loads, you go Internet Options here. And then on Internet Options, you're going to go head down here in the middle. See how it says Browsing History right there? And then you don't really want to click this box, Delete on Exit. What I like to do is just click the Delete button here, and then it's going to bring up the same thing. And again, these usually aren't checked. I personally check those, but you just can leave it how you want. Again, you want temporary internet files, cookies, history, download history, saved passwords. That's if you have like autofill on, where you start typing it in and it automatically fills in like your name or your password on websites. So that's up to you if you want to get rid of that or not. I like to, again, because it clears up the history and frees up some space. So we're going to go ahead and delete that. And then again, you just have to wait for it to all delete. Internet Explorer is a little slower than Mozilla. And then go ahead and exit out of there. And then the last one, my favorite here, is Google Chrome. And again, it's really simple. You come up here to the top right corner and you look for History. And then it brings up a new page and it says Clear Browsing History. And you click on that. And then I always pick beginning of time. Again, you can pick your week period there, and then you can again pick all of these. And then you just clear browsing history and you wait. And then you're done there. And that's how you clear your browsing history. And then that should speed up your browsing a little bit. That's going to go ahead and take care of all the old stored data that's actually worthless. It's pointless. It's doing nothing but bogging down your browsers. So I hope you liked the video. Go ahead and subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them there in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If there's anything specific you need assistance with, let me know. I'll do my best to help you out. And I'll see you next time.